Hello friends, no, I am not crazy, and no, I have not started with doing unboxing videos, but we upgraded our robot, our cleaning vacuum robot for the home, and this here just arrived, and while looking at the box and looking how nicely everything was done and packed, I thought I'd share that with you because I think it's worth it. So here it is. We ordered ourselves a Dreame, the LX50 I think it's called, which is a robot that vacuums and mops your floor. Apparently really good, so fingers crossed. Now let's open this box. Join me. So here we have it. We open 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and guess what? There is a box in the box. So we open this one as well. The Dreame L50 Ultra it's called, by the way, yes. So let's open that, and here, and there. And we are met by a leaflet. It says, turn me around for the quick start guide. And sure, there is a quick start guide. So we're gonna put this away for now, because I mean, hey, who reads instructions, right? All right, so here we are. No, we are not looking at the fireplace, we are looking down into the box. Thank you, camera. So this is how it looks. Let's see. We pull out this one first, I would say. Accessory, something. All right. Then we have this one here. I'll also put that to the side. And another one in here. This is more weight to it. I guess this is my robot in here. That's it. Put it down there. And then we have the big one here, which is the service station, basically, where our robot is going to go to charge the battery, empty the tank and fill the tank and so on, wash the mops. I will need 2 hands for that. Yeah, right. Having 2 hands. Let's get it out of the box. Whee! Okay. This is a bit bigger, but not too heavy actually. It's pretty all right. So, okay. We got that out. There's some plastic here, but I think this is only protection. Is it? Yes. Only protection. Okay. Let's say that was that. If we miss something, we know where to look. Let's close this and put it aside for now. Yeah, and while we're on it, we have the camera in the hand. Look outside. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful, huh? Yes, indeed. But yeah, back to the boxing video. Right, we're gonna try to do it in a way so you guys actually see what I'm doing. Not me, but this. So let's see, here we are. This is the service station. Let's remove this one here, yep. And then maybe, there you go. Ooh, static. Zzz. All right, so here we have the station. Oh, that looks decent. Actually really nice. Huh. I'm gonna turn it around for you so you see it. This is the back side of it. The power plug goes in there. All right, looks really decent. Very nice. Okay. So now, the next thing we're gonna unpack. You see this is the mop cleaning down here. All right, very nice. How do you open? This is how you open it. Aha, all right. There is the bag for the vacuum that empties your little robot. And here is the detergent, I would guess, that goes in here. It sure is now. This is the water. Okay, cool. Very nice. First things first. Let's close this again. Then we see what else we're gonna find here now. All right, let's continue with open this box. We see. It feels a bit like Christmas Eve right now. Feels laughing. Well, it is. Oh wow, look at that. This is nice. So here we have the box with the manuals. We have the Oops, falling out. Can take the manuals out for now. That's a lot to read. I mean, look how thick they are. In 500 languages for sure. Here we have the discs for the mop. 2 of them. Additional vacuum bag. Okay, so we have here. Here we have a, let's see what that is. Detergent. Multi-surface floor cleaner is here. Those we can take out already. Even the bag we take out, gonna need it. Maybe, well, not really now, but later on for sure. What do we have here? Power cord. Don't have any intention of sending it back. Hope it's any good. Sure it is. It's the power cord. And wait, what do we have here? That was it from this box. We have a brush. So this is actually interesting. This is the first boat that actually has a little brush to clean your robot and stuff. Clean your equipment. Oh, wait a second. You press this little button here. What happens? You can extend this thing. How cool is that? So you reach everywhere. Okay. And even here you have something in the back. Look at that. Oh wow. This is this is actually a blade in there, if you can see. This might be to cut off the hairs, maybe, you know? When the hairs are tangled around your rollers, I guess you go in and you cut off those hairs. That is a nice treat. I was always using a scissor. This is really nice. Okay, okay. Cool. So this is a nice thing. Well done. Point a star in the book, right? Like I used to say. Star in the book. So we have those here. All right. What do we have here? I think this is the ramp. Yeah, it sure is. This is the ramp for the robot to get up onto the... It's nicely packed. It's just me really being clumsy. For the robot to get up in the station here, I guess. Let's see. There you go. That was easy peasy. And then, of course, the heavy part. What do we have here? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We're going to edit a Christmas hat for me later, should I? So how do you open that without destroying it fully? I thought it was here. Yes, it is. It is. It is. It sure is. When you see that? There. Nicely packed. I like the pack the stuff really good. It's not in plastic. It's in those cloth things, which actually protects it and keeps it from getting moist. So let's see. Let's get this baby out. There we have it. Our robot. Our new help in the house. Let's see. It's a tight fit. But there he is. There he is, or she, or it. What do you want to call it? The Dreame. This goes down, by the way, I think. If I saw that correctly, if you have very, very low furniture, this little head here, it lowers down, so it can get underneath. It also has this function that it can lift itself over doorsteps and so on. So it's actually pretty interesting. I can't wait to try that, because we have also one of those high doorsteps into the bathroom or out from the bathroom, where our current robot couldn't make it. So I hope this one can. So here you see the underneath. It actually has 2 brushes going against each other. Very, very cool.